The Home Depot, the world's largest home improvement retailer, is a company renowned for its commitment to helping customers build, renovate, and improve their homes. In an equally important endeavor, the Home Depot recognized the need to support its employees in building financial stability. To that end, the company introduced a comprehensive financial wellness program offering a wide range of services designed to empower its workforce and yield significant benefits for both the company and its dedicated employees, acknowledging the need for change. Despite working at a company that empowers customers to improve their homes, many employees at the Home Depot have faced their own financial challenges, including managing household expenses, saving for the future, and navigating debt. The leadership at the Home Depot understood that these financial challenges could lead to stress, impacting employee performance, job satisfaction, and ultimately the company's success. Recognizing the need for change, the Home Depot set out to address these challenges, providing its employees with the financial support they need to thrive both personally and professionally, a holistic approach to financial wellness. The Home Depot's financial wellness program is designed to offer a diverse array of services that cater to the unique financial needs of its employees. These services include 1. Financial education. The Home Depot provides access to a wealth of educational resources, including workshops, webinars, and online courses that cover essential financial topics such as budgeting, savings, and investing. 2. Debt management. The program assists employees in managing and reducing debt by offering tools, resources, and expert guidance on loans, credit card debt, and other financial liabilities. 3. Retirement planning. Recognizing the importance of retirement preparation, the Home Depot encourages employees to plan for their future through retirement savings accounts, investment advisory services, and retirement planning workshops. 4. Savings incentives. The Home Depot incentivizes saving by offering various benefits and contributions to retirement accounts and emergency savings funds, motivating employees to secure their financial futures. The benefits of investing in financial wellness. The Home Depot's commitment to financial wellness has brought forth numerous advantages for both the company and its employees. 1. Elevated employee satisfaction. By nurturing and supporting employees in their financial journey, the Home Depot fosters a sense of loyalty, commitment, and higher job satisfaction. 2. Increased employee productivity. Financially secure employees can focus more on their work, leading to increased productivity, innovation, and overall improved performance. 3. Reduced employee turnover. Employees who are financially stable are more likely to stay with the company, reducing the costs associated with recruitment, training, and onboarding of new staff. 4. Attracting top talent. The Home Depot's commitment to employee financial wellness bolsters its reputation as an employer of choice in the competitive retail industry, attracting top talent. 5. Corporate social responsibility. The Home Depot's dedication to employee well-being enhances its image as a socially responsible corporate entity, reinforcing a positive public perception. In conclusion, the Home Depot's financial wellness program highlights the company's commitment to creating a supportive and fulfilling work environment. By addressing the financial well-being of its employees, the Home Depot sets in motion a positive cycle of benefits that results in a more prosperous and engaged workforce. As other companies recognize the advantages of financial wellness programs, this trend is anticipated to continue to grow, benefiting employees and employers alike. The Home Depot's financial wellness program is a testament to its commitment to both its employees and its bottom line, serving as a powerful example of how addressing the financial needs of employees can create a positive cycle of benefits, ultimately leading to a stronger, more prosperous workforce and a more successful business.